roof. There's literally no roof. And I have some candy right here, Smarties. And I have a milkshake. Let's drink some of my milkshake. And this kind is new. Just came out. The new kind's yummy. Super yummy. And this car is super cool. There's also a horse on the side too. Easter. Okay, so it's a really good day. And this has like literally no roof, none. This car is super cool, and on the side is red, and there's a horse, and there's the same as that horse is on this driving wheel too.